Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today we are going to press our insulated lunch bag right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to press our insulated lunch bag. We do have nice features to it. Meredith's going to get it ready first, and then I'm going to go over the features of the lunch bag.
Okay, we've printed out our print on the SG800. And this is tapered a little bit at the top, so you will know which is the top and the bottom. Also, there's some Velcro on the top. Okay, and we're going to use the foam pad. And it'll be image side up. And we're pressing at $3.99 for 45 seconds.
So while Meredith is pressing, we are going to go over the new features of the lunch bag. So it does have a fun zipper on top. Zips all the way around. Inside it has a nice pouch and a holder to hold everything in place. Insulated, nice features there. On the side we also have another pouch to hold everything. The strap is actually really nice. It has a little cushion for the shoulder. And then here you have your front panel. So this does come off. There's Velcro here. And what you do is you just unzip to take off and then place on, of course, just like that. So now our press is almost done. We are just going to wait until it goes up. There we go. Let's see what we got. And that's our insulated lunch bag. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.